So I'm very excited that there's another workshop coming up for Sookshma, and it is just like the Sookshma workshop that introduced me to this amazing experience and this community of people. My hope is for everyone who can be there to attend. It's a 3-hour investment of time. I think the ticket is $55, which is not even a dinner for two, and to invest in yourself and see what's possible. I think that's if people were to go there and experience it, that is beyond any words that I could use right now. I would hope everyone will go and experience just a 3-hour workshop and that meditation that comes at the end, and it could be really life-changing. So I hope that everyone can attend and make the time, and I believe whoever's meant to go will go if it's in their path. But it is beyond words, that experience of pure calm, bliss, the sleep, the sort of the clarity that you get, plus the connection with new people. And so if you want to network with people who are on this path and on this journey and believe in the divine power to heal us and create that sense of inner peace and inner love that we all can gain so much energy from, that would be the place to go as a starting point.